54 Chevy is finished. We did 383, 700 R4, 7 5/8 rear end, 4-wheel disc, new leaf springs. Had to cut a wrap and a half out of the front springs because the engine is so much lighter than the original. Dakota digital instrumentation, B&M floor shift, old car products air conditioning. Came out really nice. There's 383, 750 Holly. Did put it through stock exhaust manifolds to clear the steering. AC, aluminum 3-core radiator, AC condenser. Under the car, we ran all new 3/16 stainless brake lines, 3/8 stainless fuel line, Willwood master cylinder mounted under the car. Put the brake fluid reservoir up in the top in the wheel well so you can get to it easily without having to pull the carpets out.